Today we're going to talk about equal parts. Equal parts. So I want you to think, I want you to close your eyes, and imagine a big pizza. It has cheese on it. I don't need you to talk, I need you to imagine. It has cheese on it. It has pepperonis on it. It smells so good. It has cheesy crust. All right, I need you to open your eyes. And you're going to share this pizza. Eyes on me. You're going to share this pizza. Here's this, teeny pizza. It's a tiny pizza, but imagine it's huge. You're going to share this pizza with one other friend. I would separate this pizza and share this pizza equally because you both want the same amount, right? Because you're sharing. So that means equal means the same amount or size. So if I were to cut my pizza, I would cut it right down the middle, and Taylor would get that amount, and Jakari would get that amount. Do they have the same amount?
Yes.
Is this cut down the middle so that each side is equal?
Yes.
Yes, it is. All right. Now I want you to imagine, this is a little harder to imagine, but close your eyes and you have a big sub sandwich, a big sub sandwich. It has turkey and cheese. Catch a bubble. And lots of yummy veggies. All right, open your eyes. Here's your pitiful sub sandwich. Look at me. All right, so I'm gonna share my sub sandwich. Josiah and Evelyn are gonna share their sub sandwich. So Josiah gets that much and Evie gets that much. Is that fair?
No.
No, do they have the same amount?
No.
Let's look. Do they have the same amount?
No.
Josiah gets that much, is that fair?
No.
Evie gets this much, is that the same amount?
No.
No. So this is called uneven. Tell your neighbor what this is called.
Uneven.
It's called uneven parts. Unequal. Excuse me. Can Miss Clements get a it's cool?
It's cool.
I said the wrong thing. Tell your neighbor the actual vocabulary word is unequal.
Unequal.
It's unequal. Unequal parts. Your eyes need to be up here. Thank you so much. All right, so we're going to break this down a little bit more. So this is equal parts. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about equal parts and unequal parts. So if I cut this pencil down the middle, would Jakaria and Keith get the same amount?
Yes.
Yes, so that is called
Equal.
Equal. So I put a check mark. It's called equal parts, right? All right. Unequal parts. So if I cut this part of the pencil, would that be equal for Tori and Zoe?
No.
No, that would be called unequal.
Unequal.
Tell your neighbor what this would be called.
Unequal.
Unequal. Let's review what equal means. Let's review what equal means. Equal means the same amount or size. I need table 3 to have eyes up here. Thank you so much. All right, so equal means the same amount or size. All right, so we're going to do a little activity together real quick. I am going to show you a picture, and I want you to tell me if it is equal or unequal, okay? All right, here's this yummy birthday cake. If I divided it between 2 people, would that be equal or unequal? Raise your hand and let me know if this would be equal or unequal. Kason?
Equal.
It would be equal. Very good. Thumbs up if you agree.
Yep.
Very good. Hands down. What about this? Let's imagine this is a Swedish fish, like the candy. Would this be equal or unequal?
Unequal.
Amari, thanks so much for raising your hand. Unequal. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you disagree.
Taylor,
Taylor, you disagree? You think this is equal? Equal parts? No. Okay, so thumbs up. All right, here's the next one. Here's a button. If I cut this button in half, would this be equal or unequal, Ephraim?
Equal.
It would be equal. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you disagree. Okay, very good. All right. This piece of bread, this loaf of bread. Bread. Would this, Zoe, thanks so much for being a great listener. Would this be equal or unequal?
It will be equal.
It would be equal. Thumbs up if you agree. Very good. Hands down. All right, this square. Is this equal or unequal, Jakaria?
Unequal.
It's unequal because this side is way bigger than this side, right? All right, they have to be equal. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you disagree. Okay, Taylor, I need you to stop playing. Okay, here's our pizza we just talked about. Is equal or unequal? Equal or unequal, Josiah?
It's equal.
It's equal parts. Very good. Equal parts. Thumbs up, thumbs down if you agree. Thumbs up or down if you agree. Let me see them. Thumbs up or down. Very good. All right, here's this heart. Let's look really carefully. Look at this heart. Is this equal parts or unequal parts? Let's see. Taylor, is this equal parts or unequal parts? It's unequal. It would be equal if it was right down the middle, right? All right, thumbs up or down if you agree. Okay, thank you. All right, and the last one is the hand. The hand. Let's see, Keith. Equal or unequal parts?
Equal.
This is equal. Thumbs up or down if you agree. Ooh, we got a lot of thumbs down. Let's think about it. Is this equal? You got a lot of fingers up here. Just one thumb down here. What do you think? You want to phone a friend to help you? Pick a friend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jakari.
Jakari, what do you think?
It's not equal.
Use the vocabulary. It's what?
Unequal.
Unequal parts. Very good. All right. Thumbs up or down if you agree. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you don't. Good. All right. Put your hands down. Very good. So you are about to do this on your own. You're going to get a work mat that looks like this. And it has equal parts and it has unequal parts. And you're going to get a little baggie full of pictures that looked just like the pictures that we did up here, okay? So you're gonna take your pictures and you're gonna go on the floor where Miss Clements tells you to go, and you're gonna categorize them just like we did. So if the picture is equal parts, it's cut down the middle like our pizza, you're gonna put it on this side. If it's unequal parts like this fish, you're gonna put it on the side that says unequal. Very good. Do you have any questions about this before we get started, Taylor?
So you mean if there was a big pizza and we cut it in half in the middle and it was the same size and we have to write it in there?
So if it's down the middle and you cut your pizza right down the middle, would it be equal or unequal? It would be equal. Very good. What's your question about our activity? Do you have any questions about where we're going, what we're doing?
Is it supposed to glue?
No, we're not gluing it. So this is your work mat. Look at the work mat. Remember, we use these for when we're just putting things on our dry erase marker. So you're literally, that's a good question. Look at me. Put your hands down real quick. Look at me. You're literally just placing the pictures on the mat. That's why you have to be on the ground and not play with it. So this smiley face, is this equal or unequal? Raise your hand. Zoe.
Unequal.
Unequal. So I'm just putting it right there. I'm not doing anything. And then Miss Clements will come around and check. Okay? All right. Let's see. Table 1. Let me get my paper patrol. I need Josiah and Amari to come help me real quick. Josiah, you may pass out the baggies. Amari, you may pass out the work mats. I'm picking people who are sitting so quietly to go first. Be very careful. Here, let me help you. Let me take some of these. Let me take some of these because there's a lot. Okay, go pass them out. I'm looking for people who are sitting so quietly to be some of the first to go find their spot. Yes, Kobe?
If we're done, do we have to raise our hand?
Yes, if you are done, you will raise your hand and I will come check. Great question. Brooke, what's your question?
I thought we were just gonna, can we just stick it into the mat so if we put it on here?
It'll just lay on the mat. Keith, I need you to follow directions. I'm loving how table 2 is following directions. I need all of table 2. Amari, can you give table 2 some mats? They have them already. Thank you. Go to table 1. Table 2, you may go take your work mat and your baggie. Table 2, take your work mat and your baggie and you may come over here on this carpet. Thank you so much for following directions so quickly. Ms. Clements is giving out dojo points to people who are following directions. Thank you all of table 2 for following directions. I really appreciate that. You need to spread out so we're not all going to be on this carpet. So Jakari and Taylor, come over here. We're spreading out. You're not doing this together. You may get started. Raise your hand when you're ready for Ms. Clements to come check it. Table 1, you may spread out all over here. Do not sit closely to each other. I need you two to come right here. I need you two to come right here. Okay, Miss Clemens is coming around to make sure that you are understanding what's happening. If you have a question, you may raise your hand. I really like how Taylor's getting started. Love how Kobe's getting started. Oh, I really like how Keith is getting started. He already has some equal parts and unequal parts. Good job, Kaysen. Kaysen's doing a great job. Very good job. Tori, what's your question? I'm so sorry. Did we run out of that? Okay. All right. Okay. I'm gonna get you a